Okay, you're welcome. And in this video, I'll be showing you the upgrade and improvement we have created. We created a new software entirely. Now, this is TrendIQ, which we released about a month ago, and we've got a lot of users, using it. And yes, they appreciate it. They have learned how it works and everything. How this buy is going to be entered, how this sell is going to be entered, and how they are going to take a profit and everything. Now, our client said something. They said they needed something that can give them automatic entry and automatic exit, so they will know where the TP is going to be, where the SL is going to be. And we said no problem, we are going to deliver. So today we have delivered, and I'll be introducing to you the TrendIQ Pro Gold scalping system. Now, this is not an indicator. Okay, this is a system. Now let me activate it. This is it. You can see I immediately activated. The first thing it brought was a strategy report. Now this is a strategy. This is not an indicator. This is a strategy that comes into your trading view and takes trade. It shows you where to enter and where to exit. It shows you the TP and the SL, trailing TP, trailing TP as well, or trailing SL, whichever one you prefer to call it. All right, so this is what we call the TrendIQ Pro Gold M1 to M15, because it works within the M1 to M15 time frame. For this is for scalping. All right, so let me show you how it works. If you go down, you can see lots of trades that has occurred. But before that, let me just share with you what the strategy report is all about. Let me bring this up higher. So strategy report shows you the period, based on the time frame you are on, the maximum period back, which is from November 30, 2025 to February 16, 2026 on the M15 time frame. And it shows us that within this period, using this strategy and this system, we have had a total of 104 trades, of which 85 of those trades were profitable, giving us 81.73% win rate. We've had a total PNL of 487.6 profit, and we have just an equity drawdown of just 67.43. Okay, so this shows you how insanely profitable this system is. The profit factor, which I always consider most in any strategy, is giving us is outstanding 2.3 R, which means we are super profitable here. Now, any profit factor that gives you anything above 1.0 is very profitable. Anything above 1.0 is profitable. Okay, 1.0 is break even. Now we're having 2.3. You can imagine how insanely profitable it is. And if we scroll down, you can see our equity curve. You can see how we started from nothing, then we started growing and growing and growing. We come down at the end, and that shows you that this system is not fake. This is legitimate, because everyone knows that nothing is 100% guaranteed in trading. So we can see when we go up, at times we come down, then we go up again, and we come down, we go up and down, and you can see we have a very steady move here, and up to where we have. So the last trade we had was even a loss. You can see the last trade we had was a loss. So this shows us that the system that we are using, this TrendIQ Pro Gold, is very profitable, and it is designed for gold alone. It is designed for gold alone, not for any other currency. So let's check on the M5 time frame. What do we have in statistics? You can see the report has been updated successfully, and we have a 2.4 profit factor, 88% total trade, 82% profitable trade, and we have about $436 profit with a drawdown of $105, which is like from here down to here. From what you can see, then we recovered everything and we went up. So this goes to show you that this system is super profitable. That's just it, super profitable. And you can see the list of trades, the metrics here. These are the metrics. These are the list of trade here. These are the metrics here. You can see total PNL, trade, long trades, short trades. You can see long trades, short trades. Profit factor, which is what I consider most. You can see that the long profit factor is better than the short profit factor, because if you observe within January to now, gold, and in fact from November, if you check M15 from November, I'm very sure that this is going to be higher than this. As you can see, gold has been bullish, gold has been moving up, and as it is going up, we were capitalizing on it using this strategy. This strategy was capitalizing on it, giving us entry, giving us exit as well. Down to the 1 minute time frame, you can see how this strategy is performing. Down to the 1 minute time frame, we have a trade opened currently. If you check, you can see we have open PNL, which is currently running in loss, but overall we are in a $243 profit. Let's check the trade that is running. So, and I'm glad that this is actually running live, so that you can see how it works. So we had a long trade here, we had a buy trade here. This buy trade was actually profitable. Why did I say this trade was actually profitable? Because we had what we call a trailing TP. So when the trade has gone about halfway towards TP, we have started trading it, and when the trade got up here, before it reversed, we just locked it in. After we clocked it in, this trade came, the market moved and the trade came back to SL. So we knew from the strategy knew that this trade is still going to go up. So it waited for this move. Just look at that. Just look at that live here while this video is going on. It knew the market will still go up, and you can see it is going up. So if we check our strategy report now, you observe that this particular one, open PNL, you can see it is going up because it knows that this trade is definitely going to go up. It's definitely going to go up. This market is going to go up, and it has opened another buy position here. We're anticipating the up, and you can see live here on this video, you are seeing it. It is going to our TP. It is going to our TP live. It is going to our TP live, and as soon as it's very close to TP, our training engine will come in place and start protecting the profits we've made so far, so that we don't lose it back. Now imagine we don't have a trailing engine here. We're this close to TP, and then it came back and hit our SL, and now it is going in our direction. Can you imagine that? And now it is going in our direction. So this is where a lot of traders lose. This is where a lot of traders give up on trading because they feel the market is manipulated. You are not alone, and that is why we built a system that handles everything for you. So this system handles everything from entry to exit. This is a strategy. Okay, this is not a robot. This is not a robot. Okay, which means with this system you can decide to trade manually. Okay, you can decide to trade manually. So look at it. If we were to be trading manually, I would have entered here, and that is where it entered, because it waits for the candle to close before it gives the signal. It has entered here, just as you can see. So there is no sugarcoating here. There is no deception here. Everything is real, and you can see we are very close to our TP. You can see we've trailed it. We've started trailing. We've started trailing. We've started trailing. So we've secured this trade already in our own hand. We've secured this trade already, and that is it. TP hit. You can see it, guys, live on this video call. There is no hanky panky live. We knew this market is going to go up. We knew it. We said it. We are going to go up, and then the trading came in place as well. Secured the trade, and you can see we hit the TP straight. Now this TP is it here for what's it called, for manual traders. We know that you have hit your TP here. We are still trading this. We expect that the market can still go higher. So trading is still, is still in place. But for now, you can see TP. You can see it. You see that immediately it calculated that we are at TP. It reduced this length, and it recorded at TP for us. So we have nothing more to do on this trade. So I don't even have further explanations to do. You already saw how it works. You saw how profitable this system is. You saw it work live, take trades live, and recorded profit live. Let me show you here. Let me show you the profit it recorded just now. You can see now that open PNL is out. So let's check list of trades, and let's check the time. Look at this long. You can see this long, and look at it. Look at the time. This is it, February 26, 13:34. You can see this is when it exits. It entered at 13:20. That is 1:20 p.m. and it's exited at 1:34 p.m. So that's going to be all about this video, guys. You can see the time. This is 1:35 p.m. So that's going to be all about this video, guys. If you want to get the TrendIQ Pro Gold system, click any link around this video, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheers.